I'm pretty sure I just discovered the most heart-wrenching, hardest thing about having kids. I have 5 kids, and today was one of the scariest days that I've ever had while having children. I'm gonna show you the aftermath of what just happened. A tree hit the car. Teaching my 16-year-old daughter how to drive has been the hardest thing that I've willingly done. My kids have done some crazy stuff that I haven't willingly participated in, but driving, oh my gosh, I think I'm going to die. I don't know if I can keep doing this. She was taking this turn here, overcorrected, drove down this hill, and hit that tree. Thank goodness it was in the driveway and not someplace else, but I was shaking. And then I laughed and told her it would be okay because, you know, we were in the driveway. Thank goodness it happened in the driveway. But seriously, I have 3 more kids that I have to teach to drive. I honestly don't know if I can do this.